32. So next, what happened, children? The students listened carefully to the new information they had received. So all the students, they were sitting very quietly and they were listening to the teacher. Whatever information the teacher was giving about Sikkim, they all were listening very carefully. Okay, about Sikkim, so where it is located and what is the shape of Sikkim, the neighbors of Sikkim, and the capital of Sikkim. All the information about Sikkim, whatever the teacher was giving them, they were all listening very carefully. Okay, so I hope, children, like these students, you all are also listening carefully the new information you all are also receiving, right? You all are also learning about Sikkim for the first time, so listen carefully. So next is Raja. Miss, Sikkim must be a beautiful land. So one of the boy of that class, Raja, so what he said that, Miss, Sikkim must be a beautiful land. So whatever he listened from the ma'am, from that he can make out that Sikkim must be a very amazing, very beautiful land, right? So what the teacher replied? Teacher said that yes, Raja, in fact the entire state is hilly and has plenty of forests with wonderful flowers and trees. The main river in the state, the Teesta, flows from the north to south and is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. So what the teacher replied? Teacher said that yes, Raja, it is a very beautiful state. It is a fascinating state, and the entire state is hilly. Okay, the entire state is located where? Below the Kanchenjunga, and it is hilly, right? Like we can say that you must have seen Patni Top. It is also a hilly area. So similarly, Sikkim is also, the entire state is hilly and has plenty of forests. The many forests, many wonderful flowers, many wonderful trees you can see there. The main river in that state, what is the name of that main river? Teesta. Teesta is the main river in that state. It flows from the north of the Sikkim to the south, and it is the main lifeline of that Sikkim. It is known as the lifeline of the Sikkim. Everything depends on that river only, Teesta. Whatever farming or whatever the people do, that they are very much depend on that river. Which river? Teesta river. So I'll show you the pictures now. So children, as I have told you, as a teacher here has informed you that Sikkim is hilly. The entire state is hilly. So you can make out from this picture that, see, entire state is hilly. It is the all the houses, they are, where are they? They are on the mountains. They have built their houses on the mountain. Okay, the entire state is hilly. And then forest in Sikkim, you can see this picture. This is the picture of trees in Sikkim. You can see the pine trees. Okay, beautiful trees. And then the flowers of Sikkim, so colorful and vibrant. These are the beautiful flowers of Sikkim, right? So colorful. And the Teesta river, the main lifeline of Sikkim. This is the Teesta river. You can see the forest also. Okay, so this is the main river, the Teesta river, the lifeline of Sikkim. So children, next, Misha. Miss, what about the animals? Now next is that girl Misha. She wants to know about the animals. That teacher has explained about forest, about the river, the flowers and the trees. Now next, Misha wants to know about the animals. So what the teacher replied? Let's see. Teacher, yes, Misha, Sikkim is also home to some rare animals. Rare means unusual, right? Animals and birds. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep are some of the rare animals found there. So these are some rare animals: snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep. I'll show you the pictures also. So these are some of the rare animals, unusual animals, not common. So these are some name of animals which are found in Sikkim. And let's see the birds. Birds like vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pheasants, etc. can also be spotted in the forest. Okay, so these birds can also be spotted in the natural habitat, that is forest. Okay, so I'll show you the pictures. So these are some animals found in Sikkim. First is snow leopard, right? Next is, what is this? Himalayan black bear. Okay, so both these animals are found in Sikkim. Next is red panda. You can see cute red panda. Next is blue sheep. It is okay, and next is musk deer. So these are some of the animals which are found in Sikkim. The rare animals, we can say. Next is the birds. So what are which birds we have read in this paragraph? Vultures, eagles. So let's see the pictures. Vultures. You can see the picture. This is whistling thrush. Next is eagles, right? And more birds they are there. This is bulbul. And next is this colorful bird. So cute, so attractive, we can say, pheasants. So these are some birds of Sikkim. So these birds can also be spotted in the forest of Sikkim.